Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to discuss about array zip function in Spark SQL. So why do we use array zip function? So it returns a merged array of a struct in which the nth struct contain all the nth value of the input array. So let's discuss this statement. Before discussing this statement, let's see this is what is the signature of array zip function. So this is the signature. It's taking two or more argument, which is of a array type, right? And the return would be a struct type, not array. Return would be the struct type, and whatever the value present at the first position here and the first position in this list, one struct will going to create it. You are not able to understand at this point of a time what I'm trying to say. Don't worry, be with me for a couple of minutes. Let me do the exercise. Once the output gets generated with the help of an array zip function, then I will discuss the output. Then you will able to understand what I am just what does it means that struct in which the nth struct contain all the nth value in the input array. So in this exercise, what I'm going to do, I am just creating this table. This table has 6 attributes. So these are the attributes. When the table gets created, so with the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert some records in it. When records are inserted successfully, then I will going to write this query. So in this query, I am just creating this CT. CT is nothing but a temporary table. With the help of a collect set function, I am going to create two array type column by taking all the elements which is present in the AP salary, and those array will going to store in these two columns. Once this CT gets created, then I am just using the array zip function and passing these two array type column which we have created here. It will going to merge it, create a zip, create a struct type, and it will going to store in this column. A struct type is very important, right? So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name this notebook as array zip. So to perform this exercise, we need a table and we also need some data into it. So to create a table, we need one script, and another script must have a lot of insert statement. So I have already created both scripts. So let me copy. This script is to create a table. Let me run it. A Spark will going to create this table. Okay, table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in it. So these are the insert statement which I have already created. Let me paste here and let me run it. So Spark will going to execute this insert statement one by one. So let's wait couple of minutes till all insert statement execute successfully. It will going to take couple of minutes. So all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's validate the data. we can validate this is the same data which we have inserted with the help of these insert statements. So let's use the array_g function. So as we have discussed that array_g function will going to take parameter in the form of array, but here no column is of an array type or none of the column has stored the data in the form of an array. So let's first create a column which is of a array type. So there are two functions, one is collect set and one is collect list. With the help of these two functions, we can create a array type column. So let's use collect set function to create a array type column. Select star from. Let me format it and let me use collect set function. Collect set, and here I am just using this AP salary. So what the collect set function will going to do? It will going to take all the records from the AP salary, remove the duplicates and create a array list. And that array list will be available in this column. This is the first one. Let's create another array type column by using this collect set function. This is the array 2. Let me run it. So we can see this two column gets created and each column data is of array type, and here we can see there are three elements in each array, because this collect set function will going to create a records by removing all the duplicates which is present in the AP salary column. Let me put this select statement within a CTE with AP salary set CTE as, and let me just put a bracket. So let me format this cell and let me run it. So this it has produced the same records. Now let's use the array_g function. Array_g. Array_g function we can provide two or more array type column. So this is the first array type column and this is the second array type column. Let me select both array type column and let me run it. Okay, let me just put here, let me give this one as salary struct. So this salary struct is of struct type column. Here we can see that at the first place the value which is this value is coming from this list, and this value is coming from this list. So whatever the it will present at the first position for the, this is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position, like this. So first position of array list 1 and first position of array list 2, it is merged and it's create a struct type value. So when there is a requirement that we have a two array and we want to do certain kind of a computation or certain type of logic we want to build, but that logic will be built on top of a struct field only. So at that point of a time, with the help of a array_g function, we can merge two array or more into a struct type field. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.